Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope that you're all having an amazing Tuesday. Quick little market update for you. So the NASDAQ market has been making higher highs and higher lows based off of the news of what's expected for tomorrow. For those that are unaware, tomorrow, which is going to be Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, there's a Federal Reserve FOMC minutes report. So this is where we're going to see the Federal Reserve talk about the previous interest rate hike and expectations, hopefully, for the next one. Now, it is expected. Now, you might be asking, well, why is the market so bullish today? I mean, literally, if you look at this on the 5-minute time frame, I was working with my LPP team today, and under the trade ideas section, it was very easy to see that we were making higher highs and higher lows, and I kept them up to date with, well, as the market continued to indicate signs of an uptrend. There it goes. TQQQ just hit highs of 4% on the day. I'm up 14,700. I've reduced and really sold pretty much 99% of my position. I only have 1,700 shares left, which is about $38,000. My day was not perfect by any means, but because the market became so oversold, and then we saw that huge recovery potential, I mean, that was nearly a 6% move alone for TQQQ today, if you're able to catch it, right? And I mean, it was just an amazing day for TQQ. It was kind of a slow day. I don't know if you guys would agree with me, but on the 5-minute time frame, it was very clear to see that we're holding above the moving average. We're holding above the EMA line, and every time that we'd pull on back, it was retesting. It would make new highs, pull on back, consolidate, make new highs, pull on back, retest, and make new highs. I mean, this is as perfect of a textbook setup as it gets, and I'm actually going to do it right here for the video for you guys. But again, I have to keep my one lucky share. So why is the market going up? Again, the Federal Reserve is expected to potentially pivot for the next interest rate hike that will be in the month of December. Now, what exactly does that mean? I mean, that sounds like a little complicated, right? What does it mean by pivot? It's very simple. It just means that the Federal Reserve plans to be less aggressive with future interest rate hikes. And that's kind of what we're looking out for tomorrow. So I wanted to play it safe. I don't want to have a very heavy position leading up to that FOMC minutes meeting. I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel. All you have to do is make sure that you subscribe. I was thinking of hosting a live stream, but I know that tomorrow, a lot of you guys might be with family already. So if you would like me to host that live stream, all we literally ask you to do is drop a thumbs up, get this video to over 1,500 likes, and I'd be more than happy to host that live stream tomorrow. So again, it looks like my computer is about to die, but I did also want to remind you that we are hosting a giveaway. We're giving away $6,500 cash. All you have to do is sign up for Learn Plan Profit 2.0 in between November 14th and November 28th. That is all. You get automatically entered. If you want to learn more about it, click the second link down below, learn more about it, and see if our Learn Plan Profit group is a good fit for you and for a chance to win $6,500. There's going to be a total of 3 winners starting at $1,000 and ending at $3,500 for the grand prize. Again, if you want to learn more about that giveaway, that is that second link in the description. Appreciate your time. If you have any questions, send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is the third link down below. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.